Hi, I'm Liz Heinecke, the Kitchen Pantry Scientist, and I have a fun project to show you that will let you play with the biological process of osmosis. All you need for this project are some raw eggs, you can use brown eggs or white eggs, some vinegar, and some corn syrup. So first we're going to dissolve the shell of the egg. Eggs have a really hard shell that's made out of calcium carbonate crystals, but we can dissolve these crystals using vinegar, which is a mild acid called acetic acid. When you combine calcium carbonate with acetic acid, the shell dissolves and you produce carbon dioxide gas. So if you take an egg, cover it with vinegar and leave it for a few days, you will see little bubbles forming on the egg as the shell dissolves. Okay, after 2 days, you can take your egg out of the vinegar, rinse it with water, rub off any remaining shell, and you are left with this cool, squishy, rubbery egg that only has the membrane around it. Here's where the osmosis part comes in. We are gonna take this egg, we're gonna put it in a jar and cover it with corn syrup. Now, corn syrup is made of fructose, and it has a really high sugar concentration. And during the process of osmosis, this egg, which is filled it's mostly made of water. It has some proteins and some fat in there too, but it's got lots of water in it. This water is going to move across this membrane, which has tiny pores in it. And the water is going to move out of the egg into the corn syrup, which has this super high sugar concentration. And that is the process called osmosis. So after a day or two sitting in corn syrup, our beautiful fat rubbery egg now looks like this, a cool shriveled up egg, and I can actually feel the yolk. Can you see how neat that looks? You can then reverse this using osmosis by taking this shriveled up egg and putting it back in a glass of water or a jar of water. And because there is now less water in the egg, water will move back across the membrane into the egg, and after a day or two, you will have your squishy, rubbery egg in a membrane left. So this is a really cool project. It's in my new book, Biology Kit for Kids, and I hope you enjoy it.